If all the different type of rice wey we get decide to hold meeting, the banga rice sef no small among the group of rice. So today I wan show una how to make this original delta banga rice wey you sef go enjoy. So much delay, let's jump into the kitchen as we make this beautiful and special rice together. So for this banga rice, I will need these following ingredients you are seeing: the banga, scent pepper, onion, some dry fish, then 4 cup of rice, and of course crayfish wey I later blend. So the first thing I will do now na to wash my banga inside this pot and cook it between 35 to 40 minutes under medium heat. So when the banga done, the next thing na to extract the water. Back then for area na mortar we dey use o. Even if you no get mortar, e get the way you go wash this Coke and Maltina bottle, then pour the banga inside bowl, use the mouth to press am, the water go come out. But as I no get mortar for here, now say I use this food processor. Now anyway is a way. The cocoa be say I will extract the water in no time. So I just on the blender. After blending the banga finish now to extract the water, so I just pour water inside the banga wey I don blend now. Then I use my hand to massage and remove the shaft and the kernel. So after I remove those one finish now, just to extract the water is so simple. But if you don't have access to banga, there are canned banga in the market which you can use in the preparation of this delicious banga rice. Oh, put the banga for fire. By this time, that your rice you don already boil am. As I say the banga don boil well now, the next thing I go do now to add my grounded pepper. So I blend that same pepper with some onions, okay? So I added it to the palm extract instantly. Then I get some meat stock for fridge. I just add them to the rice. It's optional. If you no get that, no problem. I added salt too so that everything go just boil together. Then my seasoning cube, just everything don dey boil together. For my mind, I call the judge, this pot go size am, no go size am. Somehow I put am, no. When person never do something, you no go fit know how e wan end. But as I call dey pour the rice put now, I call dey see say this pot go small, e no go contain the rice. So I later transferred the banga into a bigger pot which I cook it with. Okay. I poured the remaining rice put, then I added my crayfish where I don't blend. Remember for the beginning of the video I show you some crayfish now. Banga rice need crayfish. You know the rice based on the fact say I don't parboil am before. You no go really take much time to cook. At least between 25 to 30 minutes our rice should be ready. So I added my smoked fish. I don't debone now, wash and clean now everything. Then I add am to my rice on fire. Banga rice no dey dry o. The way my mama dey sell for area that time, you know dey dry at all. If you don't dry, e don turn concoction. So I cover the rice again and I let am boil well. So after which I now open am. By this time the rice is about 90% ready. So I added my onion so that the whole thing go garnish and well and add its own flavor too. Just like that, you can see banga rice is ready. So stir it together very well. Just like the jollof rice, if they quick, they burn. So you don't need to stir every time. That's why you see me at the beginning, I added all my ingredients so that I can have minimum stirring. Like I will not be stirring it from time to time. Banga rice na one rice wey you go like, not be every time you go dey eat jollof rice, white rice, coconut rice. Sometimes sef cook banga rice you go enjoy rice, especially for children. Based on the fact say e dey soft, children dey easily dey find am digestible. And taste the rice and adjust for seasoning like your salt and your seasoning cube. Okay, so when the thing don set like that, just cover am, let am just simmer together for about 5 minutes. Then our rice is ready. You can pair it with any protein of your choice, like your meat, your turkey, or anything. Or you can just leave it like that. When mama dey cook that now if you get money, you go buy ice cream join am. So my people, if you watch this videos to this time, thank you very much. I really appreciate una love. Una do well, una do. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do. And please don't forget to turn on that notification. You see that bell wey dey this corner like this, don't forget to click on anytime when you subscribe, so that anytime when I drop new video, you go there among the first people wey they go dey notify. Say until next week when I will come again with another beautiful and ogbonge video. God bless you and bye.